Hey there, I am still alive, but my mom isn't anymore. She passed away on the 24th peacefully, and now I'm still in Brazil solving all of the paperwork, which for me is the worst part of everything because I have the feeling that we are erasing her. And I'm not a touchy feely person, but I don't know how to deal with this right now. I'm kind of in a very weird out of body experience, sort of, and it's pretty weird. I don't know how long I'm gonna have to stay here for until I solve everything. So, yeah. Um, Sorry I don't have better news, but she fought 10 long years and it was ovarian cancer stage 4, which gives us a life expectancy of 3 to 5 years. So that's a lot of extra time that she had on this earth, and I'm thankful for that. It's not easy, nonetheless, of course. It's my mom, and the only relative that I still had that was close, really, like, really close to me. And it hurts, and I didn't have much time to sit down and cope with my feelings yet. And I know that when I do, it will be like, but yeah. And you will have to be a little patient. But I will come back soon, I hope. And until then, well, I don't have anything fun to tell you. As I said, I don't know how to deal with this. And it's weird. And I swear I'm not a robot. It's just that I don't know how to deal with this. Ugh. Thank you, and I will see you soon.